Hey, what's going on, you guys? Sal Curry over here at AC Motorsport. Hey, I just want to show you guys real quick how easy it is to maintenance these GTIs right here. I went on a test drive yesterday. Gentleman loved the car. He wanted to go home and think about it. He called me this morning and said, let's do the deal. I was driving the car home yesterday and the check engine light came on. As you know, in California, we can't sell a car with the check engine light. So I had to get in here today, and the code was P0507, which is an idle control valve or sensor, whichever you want to call it. They're really easy to change. You go to shop, they're going to hit you at least a couple $100. So I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to change. The Warrior game is on, so I was hustling, and I did this in less than a quarter of NBA basketball. So that's probably about 30 minutes with commercials. It is a championship. We are in the San Francisco Bay, and we are Warrior fans here, so we're trying to hustle it up. But if you're doing this, it's super easy to just go ahead and change your spark plugs as well. We'll show you that. Let me turn the camera around real fast. Yeah, pretty much I've already done the job. So what you want to do is you want to pull that off. This is your crankcase ventilation valve. Replaces the PCV valve on modern cars. These go bad. It recirculates the unburnt oil through your engine, so it goes back through the combustion chamber and burns it and goes out the tailpipe. But these go bad, so I went ahead and I changed this. This is the old one. Goes in like that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws you gotta take off. Sorry for the camera work. We're just gonna do this fast just to help people out, because I actually looked this up and last night, and we're knocking it out today. So you got to pull your coils. These two coils you got to pull off. There's a clip here. You want to push that back and push that one back. Let's see, let's give you a better look. That clip right here, you want to push that back, and these slide backwards. You want to cover this up so you don't drop anything down in there. We're gonna tighten this back up just so you can see. I wanted to show everyone. And then you want to line up your coils and just snap them back on there. Trying to do this all with one hand. There we go. So you want to line that up. Put your coils back in. This hose, to take this off here, you're gonna push down on this, and in here is a clip right there that will release. You can either push a screwdriver in there. It was on there kind of tight, and I didn't want to break the plastic, so I removed this first, and then it was easy just to slide off there. And there you have it. You want to change your spark plugs, you just change them while you got that off, and that's how you change your crankcase ventilation valve if you're having code P0507. We're also going to clean the mass airflow sensor. We're going to clean that throttle body right there. All of that is related. We'll put a new air filter on there. Alright, you guys, that's how easy it is to take care of trouble code P0507. Idler control or crankcase ventilation valve. Have a good night. Alright, you guys, now we're going to clean the mass airflow sensor. What you want to do is you're going to unbolt these two right here. You're going to pull this out. Pay attention as to the way it goes in. Don't touch any of the bottom part. We're going to clean inside of there. I'm going to spread this out here. This is about $6 at the auto store. This is going to improve your fuel economy and have your car running smooth. It will meter your air. and tell your ECU how much air to push into the combustion chamber, so to speak. Something like that. That's the ghetto version. Alright, so clean your mass airflow. I probably do mine every oil change. I change my oil every 5,000 miles, so that's twice a year. Okay guys, we're gonna do a recap. So everybody thinks so expensive to drive German cars. This engine and that engine is very similar, almost identical. So service your own car, maintenance it. Pull off the top. Change your crankcase ventilation valve. It's going to help your car to breathe better and recirculate the unburnt oil and gases. Kind of like a catch can, if you will, or PCV valve. It's easy. Change your coils, spark plugs. Unclip this, pull that up, put a spark plug socket in there, pull your spark plugs out, either replace the coil or just put the old coils on there. What else we got? We clean the mass airflow sensor. Pull this little clip up right here. This comes right out. 2 little screws. It does have the lock screw in there. I don't know if you can see, it has that little pin in there, so you need one of these with the hole in it. Boom. Take that out, spray some CRC on there. It's 1, 2, 3. There's probably about 12 little Allen head keys right there. Pull your air box, your air filter up, put a new air filter in there, and you saved yourself about $600, $700 from going to the dealer. Change your oil filters right here. This car is extremely easy to maintenance. So if you want to save yourself thousands of dollars and just take 2 hours out of your day, you can maintenance your own car. Volkswagen, to clean all that and your throttle body, they'd hit you for at least $1,500, $2,000, and all this stuff's right here. I mean, and you can enjoy your car and get better fuel economy. So we're gonna end it right here. This was just a quick little impromptu video because YouTube has helped me. So go ahead and maintenance your own cars. Stay out of the shop.